Why is it that every fucking weekend video I do with you, you're always sharpening a goddamn knife?
Because I like the sharp goddamn knife.
It's a good reason.
Because I've already completed my other task for the day, so in the interim I'm sharpening my knives.
Really?
Yes.
What kind of knife is that? What is that made out of, Christopher Robin?
You've told me several times, but for the life of me I can't remember.
You expect me to remember? I made that knife like 2 years ago.
You didn't write it on there like you normally do.
It's because I hadn't started that yet.
I want to say this is M390. No.
Let me lick it. It's LMAX.
You're so full of it. You licked my knife. I can't believe I'm related to this guy.
No, I actually do remember what I made that knife out of. I made all of the, they were all based off of the Imp. That size. That was the design I was going for with those things. And there's only one that got made out of M390.
It was M390?
No, that's LMAX. There's only one that I ever made out of M390. Because at the time I was having difficulty getting a hold of thin M390. And that's not particularly thin either.
Gets the job done.
It's true.
Cuts the stuff I need to cut through very effectively. Which is, cardboard, nylon tapes, all sorts of weird packing shit, PVC materials.
I don't think anybody's going to be able to hear what you're saying. You're not using your big boy voice.
It cuts stuff real good.
And then you go and you say a honky statement like that. What are we going to do with you?
Fire me.
Because people they contact me and they're like, I can't hear you in your videos, Elliot. Can you speak up?
Mm-hmm.
Can't hear you, Peach.
Yeah, I know.
So the apprentice, he's always sharpening knives. Which is good, because you know what? That's how you learn to sharpen. You just sharpen. And if the results are good, then you do it again. And if they're not, you don't do it again. It's called trial and error, also known as a scientific method. I'm just saying. Oh yeah, here's what we're doing. I'm making a very lovely knife. It's very pretty. Damascus. Lightning strike carbon fiber. Oh, the silver variety. Very smooth. One of the better transitions I've ever done. There's no seam. It's very nice. Seamless transition. SM100 blade. And there's a fleet of SM100. Some other stuff here. Maybe get rocking and rolling on. Maybe I didn't spend so much time shooting videos. No, I'm joking. We have had to reshoot it a couple of times because things happen. So this is really what the apprentice was doing today. He was flattening and drilling holes. And so this whole set of 40 scales is 40 pairs is done. And so what we're going to do, maybe after we're done taking this video, is we will take the test plate off of here, because I've already done the fixture plate below. And we'll take the fixture plate, and we'll put the scales on the fixture plate, and we'll run us some profile, and cut off the angle that comes from water jet, make them flat, and then maybe I'll try a chamfering run. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. Someone had asked me what the name of the book that I was referencing in my heat treat video was. Principle of Heat Treatment of Steel. Even though I'm pretty sure George Krauss is American. Just saying. Yeah, because he's the foundation professor. The AMAX Foundation Professor in the Department of Metallurgical Engineering at the Colorado School of Mines. This is... Look at that. It's a good book. I like it a lot. Copyrighted in 1960. So it's a basic. It doesn't cover a lot of the more advanced steels that we knife makery type people start using. But Gives you a really good foundation. Very good solid foundation. I found it on Amazon as a hard copy for like $50. I actually acquired that one through a game of chance. Oh, look, blades. So all 100 Pretium blades are back. They are surface ground. The can has been removed. So actually, those are ready to basically grind. I'll reprofile them a little bit, and I'll grind them. Pretty close to final. Start heat treating. Getting some donuts. So the apprentice, he's such a good apprentice. He brought in donuts and beer. That's a good apprentice right there. That's why I love you, bro. And then useless hardware. It's gonna get sent back to knifekits.com. I mean, we've been playing the same game for months now. I say, make sure you check the dimension of the hardware that you send me, so you don't send me crappy hardware that I'm going to send back to you and complain about. And what do I get? 40% of the stop pins. Messed up dimensions. Now, I mean, within a couple thousands I can deal with. But when it's supposed to be 0.125 and I get 0.135, we have a bit of a problem. Because 0.135 does not exist as a drill bit. Nowhere. Nothing. Nada. Zip. Zilch. It's not a wire size. It's not a fractional. It's not a decimal conversion. It doesn't exist. And I know, because I have a fleet of drill bits. And drill and tap charts. Anyway. Yeah. It angers me. A whole bunch of nice new belts in. Very excited. I like new belts. It always makes me feel good when my belt rack is full. It's like I have permission to grind a lot of stuff. So, yeah, that's about it for the weekend in review here. Where's the fucking apprentice go? Is he skateboarding? Such a child sometimes. He is. Jesus. Alright, YouTube. Hope y'all are having a good holiday weekend this weekend. And I will try and make some more videos when I got some cool stuff going on. As usual. Hopefully this video wasn't too retarded. Take care.